Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our touchpad cursor speed in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option? First of all, we need to go to settings. Then we are looking for our accessibility options. Next, in interaction and dexterity, under assistant menu options, at the bottom we have touchpad and cursor control. And here is our speed. We have three speed to choose from. Three speeds we have: slow, normal and fast. By default, of course, it's normal. We can choose any from these three options. No need to save, we can safely back up to our home screen. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.